Lesson 5. Coding offers cognitive simplicities. Our society has grown in complexity. Today, computational tools are used to model phenomena and processes to make scientific progress and to succeed economically. Most fields have a computational side: computational biology, computational mathematics, computational finance, computational medicine, to name a few examples. Lorena Barba says computational modeling is a source of power to do something and figure things out in a dance between the computer and our thoughts. For instance, code that does something mathematical, like the code that plots inequalities, does it dynamically. We can easily change one of the parameters, click on the code, and immediately see the effect. It will be very time-consuming to do this on paper. This allows students to engage playfully and creatively with mathematical concepts and relationships and to develop conceptual understanding. Andy DeSessa defines the phenomenon where coding simplifies and automates a process needed for mathematical investigation as a cognitive simplicity. Cognitive simplicities bring mathematics to life in new ways. They change what and how mathematics is done and who can do it and when. As one teacher noted, it's really neat because it extends our thinking, but in a natural way. Let's consider the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, as an example. Actually, we should call this the Sumerian theorem, as the Sumerians knew this property many centuries before Pythagoras. The Sumerians were able to find very large integer triples, such as 119, 120, and 169, and 4,961, 6,480, and 8,161. How did they find them? Let's use Scratch code to find integer Sumerian triples ABC. We'll do this by considering every integer point AB on the Scratch stage and check whether C is an integer. Then let's plot all integer order pairs AB. This would be extremely difficult to do without code, as there are 17,280 integer pairs AB on the Scratch stage. If you could check one pair every minute, it would take you 128 days. However, coding offers a cognitive simplicity. Scratch code can complete this task in about 1 minute. What patterns do you notice in the plot? Do you see lines? Do you see curves opening to the left and to the right? What do they represent? If you are curious how many Sumerian triples fit on the Scratch stage, you may simply add a counter to the code to keep track. If we use Python, we may plot Sumerian triples ABC in 3D. Why is the result a cone? What other mathematics might we bring to life with the help of the cognitive simplicities that coding offers?